This is a review of the Darth Vader voice changer mask that I would highly recommend. This mask has different types of settings and you could have it in different types of phrases. Over here is a button right here where I could program it and it could talk to all the movie effects, the sentences that Darth Vader spoke. And one thing I love about this mask is that it has a red like a red color feature by the eyes, so it gives that evil effect that a evil villain has. And Darth Vader, as you know, has a evil personality. And I love the red features that they have right here. Over here we have a button right here that I'm going to be pressing so you can hear all of the phrases that he spoke in the movies. So this is the breathing effect, as you guys know.
Join me, and together we can rule the galaxy. You have failed me for the last time. You don't know the power of the dark side. Don't make me destroy you.
So you can see there's different effects. It has a lot of,
Most impressive.
like you see, there's a bunch of features of his voice talking. And not just that, the best thing about the Darth Vader mask is that it has a voice changing feature that I'm going to be showing you. And as I'm talking, it's going to basically talk like whatever I'm saying. So I'm going to be showing you guys a short clip of that to see why this mask is definitely one of the best masks to buy, especially for Halloween that is around the corner. I would highly recommend this mask, but I'm going to be showing you guys a clip of how this mask is as I'm wearing it and talking. So you can see as I'm wearing the mask, it has a voice changing effect. So whatever I'm talking or saying, the voice changes similar to Darth Vader's. And overall, I would highly recommend this mask, especially for the Halloween season coming up. And I'm very happy with this mask. I love the red eyes it has. It gives that evil personality and that evil effect. And one more thing I like about this mask is that it has a strap on the back to adjust the helmet so you can have it according to your liking. And overall, if you are a huge Star Wars fan and you are looking for a Halloween costume coming up, then this Darth Vader mask is probably one of the best masks that you could get.